Shakalaka baby, shakalaka baby. Shakalaka baby, shakalaka baby.
Suporati, so jack me chat kelai ka jag benrung. So, boy, so merat pensa. Penyak di kon so boy.
They have come here. They went for pee. I don't know where they went. Somewhere Paikhana Khen.
Kaparti ejas PDP. Ngan ong tay kini ke artylli nomor bakidon kini hang ne mo thamasan. Kisno aha kapatulun NPP. Tang suksem perstuan ahap.
गजब बेइज्जती है
Unfortunate that we from the party leaders and all the along with the two MLAs this morning at 11 a.m. actually we came here in the residence of Mr. Lakman Ramboi, meeting with all the leaders of the various parties to discuss and to find solution how to form a new government in Meghalaya. But we are regretted to inform you that after 2 or 3 hours, they were here with us, but they have gone somewhere. Until now, we do not know where their space about. So that is the the information that we get right now. So we are very sorry that we do not know where their space about, and we are trying to find them. And we let us try to find where they are. And we want to speak, and we want to talk, and we want to settle if any problem thereof. So that is the message from the PDP party.
Shakalaka baby, shakalaka baby. Shakalaka baby, shakalaka baby.